Look around any room where AI is being deployed today, and you will notice a persistent reality. No one is a permanent expert. Because the technology moves so fast, a governance framework written with perfect rigor in 2023 is already obsolete by the end of 2024, as the map expands from 4 to 26 nodes. This scale of change is visible when an enterprise expands from 4 localized AI systems to 26 interconnected models in a single year. 3 distinct nodes flash red in the dense web. That expansion introduces failure modes that early planning could not have predicted. The evolution of a governance framework serves as the definitive signature of a learning organization. Survival in this environment requires treating governance as a living system of collective intelligence rather than a static compliance binder. A dynamic framework responds to 3 relentless forces that ensure any static approach is short-lived. The first force is technology change. We have shifted from narrow, task-specific models to multi-step agentic systems and generative platforms that behave unpredictably. The second force is regulatory evolution. Major mandates like the EU AI Act are rolling out and phasing in, requiring continuous structural adaptation to maintain compliance. The third is organizational learning. Deploying systems into production reveals granular user behaviors and context-specific risks that can never be fully captured in a lab. These 3 forces apply constant pressure to existing rules, necessitating continuous updates. Failing to actively ingest and adapt to these 3 forces discards an organization's most vital evidence. Treating an AI policy as a finished product creates systemic blind spots and leads to failure. Dynamic oversight relies on a structured 3-layer review cycle built on human observation. The first layer consists of scheduled reviews, a deep annual strategic review, and a tactical quarterly operational check. The annual review evaluates if high-level policies still match technical reality, while the quarterly check identifies gaps between framework rules and practitioner behavior. The second layer is the triggered review. AI risks emerge regardless of the fiscal calendar. Specific events mandate immediate reevaluation, such as a Priority 1 incident, a new category of AI deployment, or a major regulatory shift. These triggers catch high-risk cases that fall between standard operational cycles. Changes in vendor capabilities or shifted terms of service from primary providers also serve as automatic triggers. A dual tempo system, combining a predictable operational rhythm with instantaneous incident response, matches the pace of AI evolution. Practitioners deploying models and end users working with AI daily provide the highest fidelity intelligence available to the enterprise. This provides the third layer, continuous input collection. This grassroots intelligence replaces top-down corporate assumptions. Gathering this data requires a low-friction mechanism, such as a structured 8-minute quarterly survey sent directly to all AI system owners. The survey asks 3 questions: what is working well, what is creating unnecessary friction, and what unaddressed risks are you seeing? Systematically asking these questions converts frontline observations into concrete governance improvements. An effective framework acts as a community repository, pulling critical telemetry upward to the table, rather than pushing arbitrary rules downward. Every AI failure, such as a bias pattern in production, signals a specific insufficiency in the governance framework. Traditional incident response often fails by producing a description of the event without changing the underlying framework that allowed it. The governance fix mandate addresses this. Every Priority 1 AI incident must result in a documented change to the framework. The governance team has 30 days from the incident's resolution to document and deploy the new safeguard. Over time, this process ensures that real, painful failures result in explicit new protections. This translates a localized discovery into a permanent asset that protects the entire organization. Governance frameworks tend to accumulate complexity as every incident or regulation adds a new layer. Excessive bloat makes a framework impossible to navigate honestly, which degrades safety into performative checkbox compliance. Continuous improvement requires periodic pruning, removing outdated rules as often as adding new ones. Every existing rule must pass a 2-part test. Is it catching a genuine risk? And is it producing compliance that reflects true understanding? Simplicity acts as a precondition for safety. A bloated framework that practitioners cannot easily navigate cannot govern anything. Continuous governance serves as the shared memory of a learning organization. Waiting for a failure before updating rules leaves the organization one incident behind the technology. Proactive, community-driven review cycles keep the enterprise ahead of emerging AI risks. Effective oversight depends on the daily operational insights of the people interacting with models on the ground. The system is ready for your input. Bring your insights, pull up a chair, and join the table.